Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are back with another video and I'm super excited because, as I said in my last video, I wanted to go back to Charlotte Tilbury and pick up some new bits. So that's exactly what I've done today and I'm going to show you guys what I've got. You're probably noticing something's different about me as well. Yep, that's right. I've got contact lenses in. If you haven't checked out my previous video, click the tab up here. I've given you a video showing you guys all the information about these new lenses, but this video is not about the lenses, it's about this new makeup. So if you want to know about the lenses, make sure you click that video there, and I will also leave some information in the description bar down below, so make sure you check that out. If you are not already subscribed, you already know what to do. Make sure you click that subscribe button, join us, let our channel grow, give this video a thumbs up if you like it too, and yeah, let's get right into it. I did go back and get the finishing powder in deep. Yep, 4 deep, so this is the darkest shade. And I also picked up their bronzers in tan. You're probably wondering, why did I pick up tan? Well, I got tan because the undertone of deep is something that I have quite a lot in my collection already, and I don't have an undertone like tan. But obviously I don't know exactly what it looks like because I haven't opened it up, but from what I saw on the website. But we're going to get right into that in a hot second. Firstly, we are going to start off with my base. I've already moisturized my skin, so I'm not going to do any of that skincare prep, but I do need to go in with a primer. So to start off with, I am going to use the Brightening Youth Glow. You do get a fair bit amount of this Youth Glow primer as well, so I'm definitely going to be able to use it again if I do like it. But let's see first. Guys, I'm not struggling to see because I got my contact lenses. Oh my days. Oh, do you know how good it feels to film without struggling to see from some distance because I now have contacts? I'm so excited about this. Okay, so the primer, it feels good on my skin. I can't really see much of a glow. My skincare products already gave me some type of a glow, but I can't really tell too much of a difference with this primer. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'm also going to go in with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, which is also a primer, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on. Having tried it out again, I still don't think the scent is too strong, but again, I'm not super sensitive to scents anyway. So for my foundation, I'm gonna go excuse me darling. For my foundation, I'm gonna go in as per usual with New Caledonia from NARS around my mouth, and this is just to cancel out some of the hyperpigmentation that I have around here. It's running out, so I definitely need to get a new one. One pump usually does it for me, so I'm pretty good with that. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 420. So I'm just going in with 2 pumps of that Fenty Beauty foundation. When Corona's been too close to you, man, this double chin needs to go. Today's all about the base, so I'm going to quickly zoom my eyes off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so we are now ready to move on to the base, so I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. Again, in order to prep for the finishing powder, I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to first use Fenty Beauty in 410, and then I'm going to go over the top of that with Revolution concealer. I think I'm probably going to use XX Revolution in 12.5 because it is a little bit lighter than Fenty Beauty 410. I'm going to continue to use a brush as per usual and then go over the top of that with my beauty sponge. And I'm actually going to add a dash more of the Fenty a bit lower just because I want more coverage in that area. Fenty Beauty's concealer is a little bit more lightweight, so make sure you get a nice seamless finish. Today I am deliberately again not going in with a cream contour or a cream bronzer because I do want to see the true shade of this bronzer that we are about to use today. So yeah, no cream bronzer for us today, and I'm just going to quickly set that with the Mercier translucent powder in the original shade. Okay, so now that we've set all the areas that we wanted to, we are going to first go in with the finishing powder in the shade Deep 4. This is the darkest shade, so I haven't actually opened it, so I'm not sure what it looks like. This is obviously £35, the same price as it was before. If you haven't seen my previous video using the tan shade, then I will also leave it up in the cards and down below so you can check that out. So this is what 4 Deep looks like. It doesn't really look deep. It's not that deep comparing to what it looked like on the website, but I'm going to give this a quick swatch. And I'm actually going to swatch it next to tan so you guys can see the difference. I think I might just use tan underneath my eyes as per usual. So I'm going to use this flat fluffy brush on the rest of my face. I'm going to put it around my mouth first just to see, you know, what difference it makes and what the colour looks like. Oh wow, this is really nice. But it definitely is deepening me up. Oh my gosh, guys. I think I should have stuck to tan. Even around my mouth where I have my hyperpigmentation, this product is actually making me look a bit darker. So yeah, I'm not too pleased about that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just to balance it out, I'm just gonna put this in this area, the outskirts of my face. Wow, oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so as you can see, deep is not working that well on me. I actually don't like the way deep is looking right now. I'm glad I didn't go ahead and put this under my eyes because I think it would have just removed the whole point of highlighting. I'm gonna try and put it around my forehead here to see what it does. Just around the tree. I might return this, you know, because yes, obviously darker than what I thought it was going to be. I feel like deep is not really for me, but I'm just going to keep blending it around the tree and just seeing what difference that makes. Much deeper than what I thought it was going to be, even though it doesn't look it in the pan when you put it on your face. It does make a difference. So yeah, I'm not sure if deep is for me, but let me just go ahead with tan under my eyes, and I'm going to put it on top of my lip as well. Can you see though why I do add some brightener on top of my lip? Because it just looks weird having highlighter underneath my eyes and on my forehead, and here is just blank. It just looks weird. So I'm going to go ahead with tan underneath my eyes. Flawless, absolutely flawless. Honestly, I really like tan. Tan is the one for me, mate. It is the one for me. I am looking a bit powdery, so we will tone all of this down towards the end of the video, but for now we shall keep going. And I'm going to try and add tan on top of my lip now. Let's see what that does. Definitely helps to bring things back into proportion. You can see what that's done already. So if I get up close and personal now, wow, my skin is looking flawless. Yeah, I'm not sure about the deep shade. If you're darker than me, then obviously you can choose whichever. The undertone is much warmer, so I think that also played a massive part. So we are going to move straight on to the bronzer. So let's hope that this works well. So as I said earlier, I got the shade tan because the undertone of tan is different to the deep one, and the undertone of deep runs quite a lot in my collection already. I already have too many bronzers with that kind of undertone, so I wanted to get something different, so I got the shade tan. I've not opened it up, so I don't know what it looks like, so let's have a look now. Wow, look at the packaging. My gosh, this bleeds luxury. This bronzer is originally £39, I think it is. Let's compare it in size to the Revolution one. So I would say the Charlotte one is a little bit bigger than Revolution. Let's open it up now and see what the shade tan looks like. Okie dokie. It's big, it's nice, it's got a mirror. However, the shade though, is this shade going to work for me? We are about to find out. So I'm going to get a nice fluffy brush, tapping off the excess. I'm going to go in now. I like it. It looks nice. Oh, this looks absolutely stunning. Oh my days. Just I like it. I really like it. So this is the side with bronzer, this is the side with no bronzer, and do bear in mind that I did not use a cream bronzer or a cream contour product, anything like that. So this is just the bronzer. You can see that it does come up on me. It just gives me a nice bronze, and I love the fact that it's not like a warm red undertone, because as I said, I have too many bronzers with that undertone, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So pretty happy with that. I might actually do a comparison with this and Coco Naughty. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. I actually was a bit nervous when I saw what the bronzer looked like, but this is absolutely stunning. So this is what the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer is looking like on me. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, come back, and then you guys can see what it looks like after a finished look. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is the finished look using the bronzer, tan, and obviously we did end up using deep, but I tried to go over that. But I'm really loving the finished look. I'm absolutely loving the bronzer. I do not regret getting the shade tan. I'm actually glad that I got the shade tan rather than going for deep. Even though deep is a nice shade in the bronzer, I just have too many bronzer shades with that similar and same undertone. So I wanted to switch things up and get something different. This really reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty bronzer in terms of the shade. But we are going to put it to the test in a future video to compare both of them and just see if they're the same or not, because obviously Charlotte Tilbury is more expensive, but side by side I guess we will see how they'll look. Definitely be wearing this on a regular basis, especially in the winter time, because I don't usually go for that much of a bronze during the winter season, especially with like a warm undertone bronzer. But yeah, this is it. I absolutely love the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel before you log out of the video. I will leave everything that I've used in this video and everything that I'm wearing in the description down below. If you want to know more information about these contact lenses, be sure to check my previous video. Yeah, we're looking real good. We're looking real good. So yeah, that's it from me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.